It's a bit chilly today. Well, it's not chilly, guys. It is cold. It's fall and we're already getting snow outside. Anyways, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valance, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. I am going to show you lovely people how to transform this scarf into a lovely butterfly valance. First thing I will be doing is stitching a pocket at the top of the scarf. Now the rod that I will be using is just about 1.5 inches in circumference. So I will be stitching a pocket that is just about 1 inch deep. And the reason is this valance will not be operational. We will not need to slide it along the rod, and so it does not matter that it will be snug or tight to the rod. In fact, that will be a good thing. So let me go ahead and stitch the 1-inch pocket. There we go. It's gonna be 1 inch. So now that I have stitched the heading on the scarf, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in 2 halves. So I'm trying to find the center. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna press in a mark just to know where the center of the scarf is. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to put this aside, and I have a piece of black fabric here. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to cut a strip of fabric, and I am just going to use the width of my ruler here as my guide for how wide I cut the fabric. And I'll just put a mark here, lift up my ruler, and put another mark. And this is how wide I want to cut the fabric. So I'll go ahead and cut the strip of fabric out. I'm gonna get my iron, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly, maybe just about 1/2 inch, fold the edge of the strip back, at least the edges, because I'll do it on both sides, and press. And I'm going to fold this end 2 times, 1/2 inch fold and another 1/2. And I'll do the same thing on this end. Now I am gonna stitch across here, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this end, stitch across. Okay, I'll open it, and I'll apply the strip to the back of the scarf. So I'm centering the center of the strip to the center of the scarf. Now we're going back to the sewing machine, and we're not stitching across here. We're not stitching across. We're going to stitch down the sides of the strip. So the last stitch I am going to do will be down the center of the strip. I have a piece of black ribbon here. I am going to get myself a safety pin as big as I can get it. It's a pretty big one. And just going to pin it to the end of the ribbon here. And I am going to thread the ribbon. And then I am going to turn it around and thread it back down through the other side. There we go. Okay, so that's it. That's more even. Just cut that up. I am gonna tie, if you have any kind of bead or tassel, anything fancy, you could actually put on the end of this. Let me see if I find a tassel. I have no tassels, but I found myself a couple beads. Tassels would have been nice, so okay. Now I am going to put the rod in. There we go. There we go. Even as a valance without anything else, let me just try to center it here. And if I want to get really fussy, I may just grab my measuring tape to make sure that it's centered. That's 56. So half of 56 is 28. 28. So the center is just about right here. Okay. And I am gonna make any gather that's in it. I'm just going to push it to the end. And then I'll go ahead and I will pull on the ribbon. And check this out. That's your scarf butterfly valance, my friends. What do you think? Now we can go ahead. You can push it all the way up, or you can ease it out. And maybe I'll let it stay right there. And then I'll go ahead and tie and put a lovely bow right there. What do you think, my friends? Let me know what you think, guys. Go ahead, please do me the favor right now and hit that subscription button, and remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos like this one and many more. Plus, go ahead and check out the channel because there's a lot there that can be useful to you in trying to make it home. Please share with somebody. Share with your family and friends. Also, give me those thumbs up, because those thumbs up and those shares really help the videos to reach more people, and I appreciate it a lot. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. You take care, and I'll see you in the next one.